Ever wondered why some men effortlessly command respect from women, while others struggle to be taken seriously? Forget what you've heard about money, looks, or status. The real secret? It's all about your mindset and actions. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 9 powerful strategies that will transform how women perceive you. These aren't your typical pickup artist tricks. We're talking about fundamental shifts in your behavior that will make women sit up and take notice. You'll learn why most men fail to earn respect and how you can stand out from the crowd. By the end of this video, you'll have a blueprint for becoming the kind of man that women not only respect, but deeply admire. Ready to unlock the secrets of true masculine magnetism? Let's dive in. 1. Master the art of selective attention. Listen up, because this is crucial. Most guys make the mistake of showering women with constant attention, thinking it'll win them points. Wrong. You're not a puppy, desperate for scraps of affection. Here's the truth: your attention is valuable. Start treating it that way. When you interact with a woman, be fully present. Make her feel like the most important person in the room. But, and this is key, don't always be available. Have you ever noticed how the most respected people are often the hardest to reach? That's not a coincidence. When you're selective with your attention, you communicate that your time is precious. You've got a life, goals, and priorities beyond seeking her approval. This doesn't mean playing childish games or ignoring her completely. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're attentive when present, but not always present. It's a delicate balance, but master this and you'll see a dramatic shift in how women respond to you. 2. Embrace the power of principled living. Let's get real for a second. In a world of wishy-washy men, a guy with strong principles stands out like a beacon in the night. Women aren't just looking for a good time, they're searching for someone they can rely on, someone with a moral compass that doesn't waver with the wind. So ask yourself, what do you stand for? What are your non-negotiables? These aren't just philosophical questions. They're the foundation of your character. Maybe you believe in always being honest, even when it's uncomfortable. Perhaps you're committed to personal growth, or you have a strict code about how you treat others. Whatever your principles are, define them clearly and live by them consistently. Here's the kicker. When you live by your principles, you'll sometimes have to say no to her. And guess what? She'll respect you more for it. It shows you're not just another yes man, bending over backwards to please her. You're a man with integrity, and that's magnetic. 3. Cultivate emotional stability. Picture this. You're on a boat in stormy seas. Who would you rather have at the helm? A captain who's panicking and flailing about, or one who's calm and collected? The answer's obvious, right? In relationships, you need to be that steady captain. Women are drawn to men who can weather emotional storms without losing their cool. It's not about being an emotionless robot. It's about having the strength to stay centered when things get tough. Next time you're faced with a challenge, whether it's a disagreement with her or a personal setback, take a deep breath. Respond, don't react. Show her that you can handle stress without falling apart. This emotional stability is like a superpower. It makes her feel safe with you, knowing that you won't crumble under pressure. And let me tell you, there's nothing more attractive than a man who can stay strong when the going gets tough. 4. Master the art of assertive communication. Listen up, because this might be the most important point of all. The way you communicate can make or break how much respect you command. Forget about being a pushover or an aggressive jerk. What you need is assertiveness. Assertive communication is like threading a needle. It's about expressing your thoughts, feelings, and needs clearly and directly without steamrolling over others. It's the sweet spot between being a doormat and being a dictator. Here's how to do it. 1. Use I statements. I feel, I think, I need. 2. Be clear and specific about what you want. 3. Listen actively to her perspective. 4. Stand your ground on important issues, but be willing to compromise on smaller ones. Practice this in every interaction, not just with women you're interested in. Watch how people start to take you more seriously. And when it comes to romantic relationships, it's like pouring gasoline on a fire of attraction. Remember, a woman wants a partner, not a puppet. Show her you can communicate like an adult, and you'll earn her respect in spades. 5. Develop a growth mindset. Let me hit you with some truth. If you're not growing, you're dying, and nothing kills attraction faster than a man who's stuck in a rut. Women are drawn to men who are constantly evolving, learning, and pushing their boundaries. It's not about being perfect. It's about being committed to becoming the best version of yourself. So how do you cultivate this growth mindset? Set challenging goals for yourself, personally and professionally. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity, not a setback. Seek out new experiences that push you out of your comfort zone. Be open to feedback even when it's tough to hear. Here's the real secret. When you're focused on your own growth, you become less needy in relationships. You're not looking for a woman to complete you. You're inviting her to join you on your journey of self-improvement. And let me tell you, there's nothing more respected than a man who's committed to leveling up in all areas of his life. 6. Master the art of confident body language. All right, let's get physical for a minute. You could have the smoothest lines in the world, but if your body language screams insecurity, you're sunk before you even open your mouth. Here's the deal. Your body is constantly communicating, even when you're not saying a word, and women are experts at reading these nonverbal cues. So let's make sure you're sending the right message. Key points to remember. Stand tall, shoulders back. Take up space unapologetically. Maintain strong, but not creepy, eye contact. Speak slowly and deliberately. Rush and you'll come across as nervous. Use purposeful gestures to emphasize your points. Control your fidgeting. It screams nervousness. But here's the real secret. True confidence isn't about putting on a show. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. So practice these techniques, but remember, the goal is for them to become natural, not forced. When you walk into a room radiating quiet confidence, women will take notice, and respect, it'll follow naturally. 7. Cultivate a rich, fulfilling life outside of dating. Listen closely, because this is where most guys mess up. They make their whole world revolve around chasing women, and it shows. It reeks of desperation. And let me tell you, desperation is kryptonite to respect. Here's the truth bomb. The most attractive men are those who have a life so interesting, so fulfilling, that a relationship is just the cherry on top, not the whole sundae. So what does this look like in practice? Pursue your passions relentlessly, whether it's your career, a hobby, or a cause you believe in. Build strong friendships and maintain them. Show her you have a support system beyond her. Set ambitious goals and work towards them consistently. Take care of your physical and mental health. Hit the gym, meditate, read books. When you're living a life that excites you, you become naturally more attractive. You have stories to tell, experiences to share, and a genuine zest for life that's contagious. And here's the kicker. When a woman sees that your happiness doesn't depend on her, she'll respect you more. She'll want to be part of your exciting journey, not your entire reason for existing. Remember, a relationship should be the icing on an already delicious cake of a life, not the whole meal. 8. Practice unwavering self-respect. All right, it's time for some tough love. If you don't respect yourself, how the hell do you expect a woman to respect you? Self-respect isn't just important, it's absolutely crucial. Self-respect means setting clear boundaries and sticking to them, not tolerating disrespect or manipulation from anyone, including her, taking care of your physical and mental health, being honest with yourself about your strengths and weaknesses, refusing to compromise your values for anyone. Here's a hard truth. If you're constantly seeking her approval, bending over backwards to please her, or letting her walk all over you, you're killing any chance of earning her respect. Women are drawn to men who know their worth. When you truly respect yourself, you naturally command respect from others. It's like a force field that repels BS and attracts genuine admiration. So start treating yourself with the respect you deserve. Watch how it transforms not just your dating life, but every aspect of your world. 9. Master the art of playful challenge. Okay, let's lighten things up a bit. Being respected doesn't mean being serious all the time. In fact, one of the most powerful ways to earn a woman's respect is through playful challenge. What do I mean by this? It's about creating a dynamic where you're not just agreeing with everything she says or doing whatever she wants. It's about engaging her in a way that's fun, unpredictable, and slightly challenging. Here's how to do it. Use gentle teasing, never mean-spirited, to create tension. Don't be afraid to disagree with her, but do it with a smile. Create friendly competitions or bets. Be unpredictable. Surprise her in small ways. The key is to keep things light and fun. You're not trying to put her down or prove you're better. You're creating a dynamic where she has to stay on her toes around you. This kind of playful challenge does two things. It keeps things exciting, and it shows her that you're not just another guy who'll bend to her every whim. And let me tell you, that's a recipe for deep, lasting respect. Now let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.